everyone, I'm Reba Rice. I'm the CEO of North Lakes Community Clinic, and we're making this video today to talk a little bit about how we're working with you to keep things safe, but have our clinics start to slowly open back up to see patients. So we want to thank you in advance for working with us, and we want to show you a little bit of the safety practices and all the precautions we're putting in place to keep you and our staff safe. Our commitment to your safety starts even before you leave your home. If you have COVID-like symptoms, please call ahead of time to talk to one of our friendly front desk staff, and they'll help you to decide whether or not to come into the clinic. We still do have telehealth options available, and so we want you to consider those as well. When you get to the clinic, if you have a mask, please wear it. This is to protect you and to protect others. If you don't have one, we'll give you one when you arrive. You'll also notice that our doors are locked. You can't get in them, but you can ring this bell, and one of our staff will come greet you. Hi, I'm here for my appointment.
Hi there, come on in.
As soon as you get in the clinic, we will take your temperature. Then it's our aim to get you into a treatment room as quickly as possible to avoid congregating in our waiting rooms. But if you do end up in our waiting room for a few moments, you'll notice that the chairs are further apart to help maintain social distancing. In some of our clinics, we have traffic patterns set up to make sure that you don't run into other patients or staff while you're moving about the building. Once you get into your appointment, you may notice an increase in personal protective equipment, or PPE. For example, if you're here for a medical or a dental appointment, your provider may be wearing an N95 mask, a surgical mask, and a face shield. Or if you're here for a therapy appointment where you don't have a lot of super close contact, you may just notice gloves or hand sanitizer in the room. Also, it's important to note that we are seeing far fewer patients every day in each of our clinics. This is to manage the overall number of patients in the clinic at any time to reduce exposure, and it also gives us more time in between visits to sanitize every room and every surface. And finally, at the end of your appointment, you'll be asked either to call to make any follow-up appointments, or somebody will come and take care of that right there in the room with you so that you don't have to go back into the waiting room and stay in the clinic any longer than necessary. Well, I hope you found this brief video helpful. Thank you so much for choosing North Lakes. We really appreciate it. And I want to close just with the idea of please stay safe. We want to make sure that everybody's following the CDC guidelines, using social distancing, wearing your mask, being thoughtful about gatherings, and making sure that you're staying as safe as possible. We need to do this together. COVID-19 is not going away, and it's going to be important for us to change the way we interact with each other in order to make sure that we're safe today and in the future. Again, thanks for choosing North Lakes. We would not be here without you.